Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous session, we have seen how to sort a list using a sort function and as well as a sorted one as well. Now we will sort this list using a key. Okay, so first let's run this program and see what is the output that we are getting here. So it is sorting it in the ascending order. So we know that this sort function will take reverse as one more parameter if you want to reverse it. Okay, so it will reverse it. It's not only reverse, it will take one more parameter called key. Okay, so key is based on which key you want to sort the list. Okay, so that's what it meant. So for example, I have this list, right? So when we use sort without key, it will try to take the first character and it will sort it. Okay, but now we can take a decision based on what you want to sort it. Maybe we can use the last character, or even we can use the second character, any character that you want. Okay, so now we need to pass the second character here. How can we do that? So for that we need to write a simple function. Let me define a simple function like get maybe second char. Okay, so I will get some word, and what I will return word of which one, like the second character, right? So I will just give this. So now I just need to give this function here. Okay, so now let's run and see this program. Let me first just print the names before sorting it. See here, we got as it is, I guess. No, after sorting it we got Ran first, Ashok, Dinesh and Chandu. So since we are using reverse here, that's why we got it in that order. Let's take without reverse and see how it looks. See here, first we got Chandu, Dinesh, Ashok and Ran. So the reason here is the second character is H, and then I we have S and Y. So this is how we can sort a list using a key parameter. Okay, so since we wrote a function here, it's up to you whether you want to write a function or not. Okay, so since it is like a simple thing here, like I just want to get a second character or any character, uh, I can simply write a lambda function here itself. Lambda of like word colon word of what one. This will also do. See here, we'll get the same result here. So if you are aware of lambda functions, you can use it here. But we need to write the functions when you have like very complicated logic for your key. That time we use functions. Otherwise, this simple lambda will work. Okay, so now we are sorting this. I mean, based on a second character, or if you want based last character, I will just give a -1 here. Yeah, so this is how we can sort a list using a key. Okay, and one more thing, let me show you the simple one. So using a length also we can sort it. So instead of writing this entire lambda, if you want to sort it using a length of each word, you can just give length here. That's it. Since it is a predefined function, we need not to worry about it. See here, so based on the length it will automatically sort it. Okay, so I hope this video is useful to you guys, and if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section below and I will try to answer your questions. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care.